Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and our theme for the month is talking about injury prevention. So, one of the things that I thought would be really helpful to share is one of the things that you can be doing lifestyle wise to prevent injuries, to be healthier in general, and to recover quicker from your activities, whether they be recreational or just everyday life. So, what I want to talk about is sleep. So, sleep is really important, as we all know, for lots of things, but we're specifically going to talk about recovery today. So, recovery is that time after a hard workout or an activity where you're allowing your body to repair, synthesize new proteins, and to actually recover from that activity. So oftentimes when we get into a new exercise routine or we're really excited about our new hobby, we do it day in and day out and we don't allow ourselves enough time for recovery. So sleep is a really vital part of that because that's when a lot of those repair processes happen. A lot of those good things that your body needs to facilitate that repair come out and are able to do their job. And if we aren't getting adequate sleep, we aren't going to do that to the best of our body's ability. So I definitely recommend getting 8 hours a night if possible. Definitely making sure that you're getting extra sleep the days after really, really hard workouts. So hopefully this was helpful. Sleep for recovery from injuries is super, super important. Thanks for listening. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.